Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona onibingelelayo uMusa kwaNgema ngoLwesibili uBonkosi Khanyile oyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party ubhale kwi-X eyaziwa ngeTwitter account yakhe ukuthi uDuduzile Zuma Sombudla uzovela eDurban High Court namuhla. Wayesecela ukuthi amalungu omkhonto wesizwe party awaphelele ayomsupport. Sizokhumbula ukuthi ngiyenzile ivideo mayelana nalolu daba ngaze ngafaka nenkulumo ka former president weCountry president womkhonto wesizwe party uJacob Zuma la ethi khona uma omunye wabo noma omunye oyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party ene case noma enecala kufanele amalunga omkhonto wesizwe party aphume ayomeseka enkantolo. Ngempela ke amalungu omkhonto wesizwe party athatha isikhathi sabo badela nento zabo efana ngabe bayazenza kodwa baphuma ngobuningi babo nama members of parliament bahamba bayoseka uDuduzile Zuma ecaleni leli athweswe lona. uDuduzile Zuma ungumuntu we69 oboshiwe mayelana leli cala ngoba kwayena uBonkosi Khanyile uboshwe ngaleli cala. Umuntu engimaziyo owalweni lakhe icala ungizwe Nkosi Mchunu, laba abanye kangibazi kodwa nje amanamba engazi ukuthi ungumuntu we69. Icala lakhe ke bathi ujajwe njengomuntu ovukela umbuso nomuntu ogqugqumezele udlame. Bathi ke uyena owagqugqumezela abantu ukuthi abaphume bayolutha. Into engizoyenza manje sizothola ivideo yalo okhulumela iNPA asichazela ukuthi kwenzakaleni enkantolo kuthiweni enkantolo kodwa engikwazi ukuthi icala likaDuduzile Zuma lihlehlile lona lahlela umhla ka14 kuAugust kodwa sizothola imininingwane ephelele siyithola kuye emveni kwalapho bese siyivala ivideo ngoba inhloso yale video ukuthi ngikhiphe nje update ngokwenzekile ecourt namuhla. Ngiyacela kusubscribe ku-channel, ulike ivideo, ucommente ku-comment section, ungajoina membership yale channel iqala nje ku20 rand ngenyanga ukuya phezulu.
Tell you, as you've mentioned, it has been postponed to the 14th of August for a pre-trial hearing. And it's also enough time, Iman, for Duduzile Zuma Sombudla's lawyers to get a response from the National Director of Public Prosecutions. We've been talking all morning about the fact that they had initially made representations to Elaine Harrison, the KZN Director of Public Prosecutions, asking for the agency to drop these charges, describing it as a political witch hunt. And so between now and the 14th of August, they're hoping to get a response from Shamila Batoyi. But let's bring in the NPA spokesperson, Mthunzi.
Ngaphambi kokukhulume lo omeli NPA kodwa la ikunezethulo ezenziwe enkantolo zenziwa ummeli kaDuduzile Zuma Sombudla ku-advocate uDali Mpofu lapho khona bebecela khona alichithwe leli cala leli ngoba lipolitiki akusingoba kuyicala elifanele lihlalelwe enkantolo. Siyakhumbula ukuthi leli cala lengicala lokuqala lokuthi kusetshenziswe isocial media as ubufakazi. So ngakho ke bebevama ukuthi cha leli cala lilawulwa ipolitiki akusingoba kuyicala efanele likhulunywe enkantolo bezenzile izethulo ngeshwa ke izichithile enkantolo ezethulo yasihlehlisela umhla ka14 kuAugust kodwa lona itrial yakhona izoqala nge10 zika November if I'm not mistaken. Ingangithi nje angichaze le ndaba bese ke singena ukuthi utheni lo khulumela iNPA.
Zimaga, to talk more about this. Will we have a response? Will there be a response by the 14th? Surely, because there is a date that has been penciled down for the trial, starting from November all the way to the 21st of December.
Zianda, they have not yet submitted the representation in order to escalate them from the DPP to the National Director in terms of Section 2216 of the NPA Act. Once they do so, it will then be a matter that the NTPP will have to consider depending on what they present before her. She will also have to get a report from the Director of Public Prosecutions because in terms of the NPA Act, an NDPP may only review a decision to prosecute or not to prosecute after consulting the relevant DPP.
And so with what has happened with the DPP declining the request from Mr. Mpofu and his team, how likely is it that usually the NDPP comes and overturns that decision? Is that something that happens often?
Well, I don't have a statistical account of matters that were reviewed by her where she disagreed with the DPP, but she has to make an independent, informed decision, obviously having examined what is presented to her by the defense and what the prosecution from the DPP's office have presented to her, and make her own decision. She will have to take into account a number of factors, but that decision is hers and can only be reviewed through a judicial review by a court if they are not satisfied with her decision.
Abachaza la ukuthi njengoba uMpofu nethimba lakhe bezethulo kwi-DPP okuyi Director of Public Prosecution yona yazichitha, kodwa yayisithi cha abahlanganisa izethulo zabo bazidlulisele ku-NDPP okuyiyona ke ngomhla ka-14 ezokwazi ukuthi ibheke ukuthi isinqumo salo ukuthi icala alichithe noma angalichithi bese right na. Lo akachaza ukuthi cha yibo bazolindela yena ukuthi athathe isinqumo. Uyabuza kusisi ukuthi kuke kwenzeka na ukuthi iDPP efika ithatha isinqumo iNDPP ifika isiphikise. Uthi cha noma engenalo i-list noma isama statistics ukuthi kwake kwenzeka na, kodwa kufuneka ukuthi alalele izethulo emveni kwalapho bese phendula impendulo ngokungachemi futhi ngokuzimela abe nje independent and impartial. So ilokho akushoyo asike sizwe ke ukuthi uqhubeke wathini.
We've heard the trial date has been penciled in from the 10th of November to 21 December. It's quite soon, given how usually it takes long to get matters onto the court roll.
Look, we have always been ready as the prosecution in the matter. We disclosed the contents of the police docket in order for them to prepare for trial. The only hurdle now is the issue of representations, which unfortunately in terms of the Constitution and the NPA Act, this is a right that they are entitled to. Hopefully by the 14th of August, all ducks will be on the roll so that the matter can proceed on the 14th of November. We're hoping that there won't be any interlocutory application brought in that will frustrate the progression of the trial to finality.
All right, Mthunzi Maga speaks on behalf of the National Prosecuting Authority.
Njengoba sizwa ukuthi i-trial yona funeka iqale ngomhla ka-10 kuNovember up until 21 zika December. Usisi lo uthi ukwaze kwashesha ngoba amacala ajwayele ukuthatha isikhathi ukuthi angene ku court roll. Uthi ke lo we-NPA bona nje njengabashushisi bebe prepared, kudala baba prepared. Se ukuthi nje bazolindela izethulo ezokwenziwa ngomhla ka-14 emveni kwalapho phandle ke mangase kube khona ezinye izethulo ngoba phela kuselungeleni labo ezingase zibe khona mhlambe ezingenza ukuthi kube khona idelay kulolu daba, kodwa nje bona abashushisi ba ready for ukuthi bangakwazi manje ukuthi icala lingahlala enkantolo bayikhulume. So lento izobanika isikhathi esanele ukuthi bethule izethulo zabo abanazo kusuka manje kuze kuyoshaya umhla ka-14 ku-August, bese ke ngomhla ka-10 icala lo bese liqulu. Asazi ke sizozwa khona ukwenzakalani. Bengithi nje mina ngilethi update mayelana necala lika Duduzile Zuma Sambudla ovela enkantolo namuhla. Mina nawe asidibane kwi-video elandelayo. Ngiyacela subscribe ku channel, ulike i-video, ucomment comment section below, ungajoina ne channel, i-membership ya the channel.